Welcome to ChangAn Automobile Rayong Factory opening and the 28.59 millionth vehicle offline ceremony right here in Rayong, Thailand. A big round of applause, please.
2859 is a lucky number in both Thai and the Chinese culture, which means progress and prosperity.
向关心中泰经贸合作的各位嘉宾致以诚挚的问候和衷心感谢。
ประเทศไทยจะเป็นฐานหลักในการส่งออกแถบเอเชียหรือไปยุโรปต่างๆผมในฐานะที่เป็นคนไทยและเป็นผู้ว่าการจังหวัดระยองรู้สึกยินดีกับฉางอานซึ่งเป็นบริษัทจากเอเชีย
ChangAn plan to achieve 65% localization in 2025 and rise to 80% by the year 2028. This is the real impact to Thai economy.
I have to ask you one thing. What do you like the most about People SO5?
The most interesting for me is very cool of the design, both interior and exterior. Very cool of the design.
ChangAn Automobile boasts a global R&D distribution in 6 countries and 10 locations.
We are here for long run. Together, we will help cheaper, cleaner, smarter, and stronger automotive future.
First of all, I invite you all to join me in 3 rounds of applause to make a formal congratulation to ChangAn Automobile.